If you're in your 20s or 30s, this video is for you. This period is filled with opportunities and challenges. You might feel the pressure to move out and establish your independence. This is totally normal and expected. However, the largest number in our history are coming back to mom and dad's home to live and save up money for a home which is quickly out of the grasp for many 20 to 30 somethings. In the city where I live, a one-bedroom is running from $1,000 to $1,850 on the average. If you need a two-bedroom, expect to pay $1,500 to $2,000 a month. But what are you doing throwing your good money away by renting? Home ownership has always been a leading method of increasing one's wealth. I purchased my first home when I was 19. Nobody said I couldn't, and several banks were ready to write me a mortgage. I want you to consider an alternative path that could set you up for long-term success. Living with your parents during this time can be a strategic move that offers numerous financial and emotional benefits, providing a solid foundation for your future. Many dream of owning a home as a symbol of success and stability, but buying a home is a significant financial commitment. Are you ready for it? Let's explore why living with your parents in your 20s might be the smartest move you can make financially, and you would be with the majority doing the same for your age group. This decision can help you save money, reduce financial stress, and give you time to plan your future more effectively. Let me stop here and take a moment to introduce myself. I'm Mark with Crypto for Seniors, where curiosity evolves into knowledge. If you feel you are getting some knowledge, would you kindly click the like and consider subscribing to the channel? This way, you learn about crypto, retirement, investing, and mining. Just today, with the release of this video, our trusted partner GoldShell is offering you $50 per unit using the code GSFriend. All letters are together. Now back to the video. Moving back in with your parents might seem like a step backward. Society often tells us that independence means having our own place, but this temporary step back could be a giant leap forward for your financial future. And it is becoming today's normal. By living with your parents, you can save money, pay off debt, and build a strong financial foundation and retirement. At this age, you need to save up to $100,000 in your IRA to start the snowball effect of compound interest and grow to $1 million by the time you retire. So, why are you in a position where you have to wait to payday to put food in your refrigerator? Please don't count on seeing 1 cent of Social Security. I am 67 as of the release of this video, and frankly, I'm worried it won't last for me until I die. Imagine all that rent money you're saving could be your down payment someday. Rent can be one of the biggest expenses in your budget. By living with your parents, you can redirect that money into savings. Over time, this can add up to a substantial amount, giving you a solid foundation for your future home purchase. Additionally, you can use this time to build an emergency fund, which is crucial for financial stability. Many experts suggest start with $1,000 as your emergency fund. As time increases and your expenses increase as well, consider moving that amount to $2,500 to $5,000. Instead of spending on overpriced lattes, and trust me, I did, and I still do, but I have fully funded my IRA and my retirement, so I can now splurge and enjoy that iced coffee with 4 shots of caramel, 2 shots of vanilla, non-fat almond milk latte. See, like I have been saying and living this roadmap, small changes in your spending habits can lead to big savings over time. For example, my daughter buys the Starbucks Caramel Latte K-Cups and has the caramel creamer, and she brewing your coffee at home for less than $1. She is saving $5.50 a day times 7 days. That number is $2,002 in savings a year instead of buying it daily. Over 15 years of working, that is over $30,000 savings. One of the smartest moves you can make is to start an IRA if you don't have one already. An IRA, or individual retirement account, is a magical money-growing pot for your retirement, thanks to the power of compound interest. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. By contributing regularly to an IRA, you can take advantage of tax benefits and ensure a comfortable retirement. Here at Crypto for Seniors, where we focus on all things crypto, you can use iTrust, where you can invest into your retirement using crypto. Think of it as planting a seed. With time and care, that seed can grow. Your IRA works the same way. By contributing regularly, you're setting yourself up for a comfortable retirement. The power of compound interest means that your money will grow exponentially over time, providing you with financial security in your later years. When job hunting, consider more than just the salary. Benefits like health insurance, paid time off, and retirement plans can significantly impact your financial well-being. These benefits can provide you with financial security and peace of mind, allowing you to focus on your career and personal growth. Don't just look at the salary, compare job offers and understand the benefits each company provides. This can make a big difference in your overall financial picture. For example, a job with a slightly lower salary but better benefits might be more advantageous in the long run. Consider factors such as health insurance, retirement plans, and opportunities for career advancement. One key benefit to look for is a 401k with matching contributions. If your employer offers to match a percentage of your contributions, that's free money. Taking advantage of employer matching can significantly boost your retirement savings and help you achieve your financial goals faster. If your job matches 3% of what you put in, that's free money, like finding extra fries at the bottom of the bag. Take advantage of this benefit and contribute enough to get the full match. Save smart, invest wisely, and soon you'll be opening the door to your dream home. Paying cash for that larger deposit, which lowers your monthly mortgage amount. By living with your parents, you have the opportunity to build this strong financial foundation. Use this time wisely and don't waste your time. Consider exploring different investment options, such as stocks, bonds, and mutual funds, to diversify your portfolio and maximize your returns. Imagine the day you finally unlock the door to your own home. The sense of accomplishment and security will be worth the temporary sacrifice. So, don't be afraid to take this step. Embrace it as a smart, strategic move towards a brighter future. The journey may be challenging, but the rewards will be well worth the effort. Take advantage of resources available to you. Attend financial planning seminars, read books on personal finance, and seek advice from trusted mentors. Subscribe to the Crypto for Seniors YouTube channel. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions. Knowledge is power, and by educating yourself about personal finance, you can take control of your financial future. Set clear financial goals and track your progress. Whether it's saving for a down payment, paying off student loans, or building an emergency fund, having specific goals will keep you motivated and focused. Consider joining Dave Ramsey program Baby Steps. Regularly reviewing your goals and tracking your progress can help you stay on track and make adjustments as needed. Celebrate your financial milestones along the way. Each step you take brings you closer to your ultimate goal. Share your successes with your family and let them be part of your journey. Celebrating your achievements can provide motivation and encouragement to keep moving forward. Don't forget to keep an eye on your credit score. Download the program Credit Karma to track your expenses. This is available for both the iPhone and for us Android lovers. A good credit score can open doors to better interest rates and loan options when you're ready to buy a home. Regularly review your credit report and take steps to improve your score if needed. Paying bills on time, reducing debt, and maintaining a low credit utilization ratio can help boost your credit score. Consider working with a financial advisor to create a personalized plan. They can help you navigate complex financial decisions and ensure you're on the right track. Having a professional in your corner can provide peace of mind and confidence in your financial future. A financial advisor can offer valuable insights and strategies to help you achieve your goals. Living with your parents in your 20s isn't just about financial benefits. It's also an opportunity to strengthen family bonds and create lasting memories. Appreciate the support and guidance your family provides during this pivotal time in your life. Building strong relationships with your family can provide emotional support and a sense of belonging and keeping family traditions alive. Stay focused, stay motivated, and keep your eyes on the prize. Your future self will thank you for the wise decisions you make today. And soon enough, you'll be opening the door to your dream home, ready to start the next exciting chapter of your life. So, take a deep breath, embrace the journey, and know that you're making a smart, strategic move towards a brighter future. The path may be challenging, but the rewards will be worth it. Stay committed to your goals, and you'll achieve the financial success you desire. If you have lasted this long, thank you. I celebrate you sticking with the video and your commitment to your success. Please consider pressing the like, comment below what your situation is, and please consider subscribing to the channel. I'll catch you in our next video.